Hey guys, how's everyone doing today? Hope everyone's having a good day out there. So I have some information that I think will be really helpful, and it's kind of surprising me as well, and I want to get your guys' feedback on this, because there's been a lot of problems going on in the auto industry, and this one has to do with tires. Now, I know we all shop around, try to get the best deal on some good tires, usually from a reputable company, but this one's a little shocking, because it's one of the best tire companies out there, and there's some issues already coming forth, and it's not like a one-time thing either. There's been a lot of occurrences of this, so I want to share exactly what's going on and see your guys' thoughts on this. So if you guys are in the market for tires, I'm sure you guys looked around to see the best deal you can get on probably one of the top-rated tires. And what company comes to mind is Michelin. Been around for a very long time and known the reputation for being one of the best tires out there. But there's a lawsuit that just closed that found Michelin was at fault for having a tire that separated, and it unfortunately led to some fatalities. So kind of the worst thing that you'd ever want to hear due to a tire. So what happened was a family bought a set of 4 Michelin LTXM tires, and they bought them at a discount tire company store. And you guys seen those? They've been around for a long time. I've actually bought tires from them, so that wasn't the issue. But what happened was the front left tire experienced tire separation. And what this is, it's where the tire and the steel belt actually separate. So it's a catastrophic event and the tire just completely explodes. And this made the car veer into the oncoming lane, and so they had a head-on collision. And like I said, there were fatalities in it, so it's a big deal. And like I said, I thought it was a one-off thing, but then I did some research and found that a lot of people have had Michelin tires in different models too, not just necessarily this model. And the tire is actually separated. Luckily, all the people that reported this weren't involved in a fatal accident, but still makes you wonder, a lot of these people that were posting about this, it's most recent too. So it's one of those things, is Michelin not the company it used to be? That's kind of the question here, because for many years they've been known as one of the best tires you can get. But now seeing all these stories how they've actually the tire disintegrates and separates. So it's, of course in this situation, it caused a horrible accident. And then with this case here, they've actually did a lot of testing on it, and it was solely because the tire, the way it was manufactured. So it's not like it was low tire pressure that caused it to heat up and explode, nothing like that. And they were 6-year-old tires at the time of this. And they say that you should replace tires either by the mileage or at 10 years. So it was under the mileage mark for the tire and under the years too. So it's just something to think about. I personally was looking at Michelin tires, but then I heard a lot of people saying how good Continentals are. So after reading all these stories about how, like I said, it's not just one time, it's more than not, people are having issues with Michelin tires where it's catastrophic. It's not, talking about they don't hold up or some tread wear, nothing like that. We're talking full separation. So I want to get your guys' feedback. Has any of you out there experienced that, where a Michelin tire, or any tire really, has had catastrophic failure like that? It just makes you think, if what we thought was a great company before, things are changing. It just goes along with the auto industry, goes along with the parts as well. Things that maybe you could always bet on before, maybe not the case anymore. So again, in this situation, they found that Michelin was 100% at fault. So again, I just wanted to bring this to your attention to see what your guys' thoughts are on this. Because you put all this money into tires and you want them to last, and get the full life out of them for sure, and not have something like this happen. That's avoidable. So again, drop a comment in the comment section if you have had this happen, or maybe heard somebody that you knew have this happen to them. I'd like to get an idea if it's a lot bigger issue than just like a few examples. Like I said, I did some research, and I was surprised how many people actually had a really similar issue where the tire just started separating. So again, I just wanted to share this with you guys. Again, let me know in the comment section what you guys think. Hope everyone's having a good day out there, staying safe. I appreciate it. and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks again, everybody.